We need to get his side of the story. If he's technically I need to Mirandize him before I ask him any questions.
He's not under arrest at this point, right?
No.
He's not under arrest. He can shut the door on us.
Okay.
So the man's not under arrest. He hasn't committed a crime. And according to this officer, he can close the door on them. Let's see how that works out.
Hey, Casey, can you come to the door and just talk to me for a second? I'm Officer McCoy. I'm with the Marion Police Department.
Golly, Beeve. I wonder what this is sign language for. When he opens the door, let's protect and serve the crud muffins out of him.
Alright, hey Casey, would you step out and talk to us here for a second? No? Okay.
And I need him to go.
Well, he's not going to go anywhere, so...
No.
Tell him to shut the door.
Hey!
Come on.
Hey!
Step out here.
Hey, dude!
Step out here.
Dude!
Step out here.
Well, it doesn't look like this American was free to close that door. Welcome back to Here's the Deal. Stay tuned and watch what happens.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
But here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Well, here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
And here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Because here's the deal.
Here's the deal. You either give me your ID or you go to jail. How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that?
How about that?
How about that? Here's the deal.
Welcome back to the Here's the Deal channel. In early 2022, Casey Van Neville made a phone call to the Marion, Iowa City Hall to complain about the living conditions and to get a building inspection done at an apartment building called the Henderson House, located at 1501 First Avenue. Little did Casey know that this phone call would result in a February 14th raid of his home and subsequent kidnapping by the Marion, Iowa Police Department, where he sustained physical injuries in the process. He was charged with 5 counts of harassment. Now, according to Casey, Henderson House is owned by Affinity Property Management, LLC. He and others claim that the apartment complex has black mold, asbestos, lead-based paint, bugs, bats, raccoons, leaking water pipes, broken windows, broken doors, no screens, and a whole host of other problems. Now, if all these claims are true, it appears that Affinity has some kind of pull with the city because they're still granting occupancy permits. Frustrated that nothing was being done after multiple attempts, Casey placed a call with City Hall to air his grievances. Reportedly, if you mention anything about the third world conditions in the building, it ends up with the complaining party being evicted because it's a month-to-month lease. This is the recorded call from the Marion Police Department to the Marion City Hall prior to the police coming to Casey's home and arresting him after having committed no crime.
Hi, Alicia.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Better than you, it sounds like. Good old Casey back at it.
Yeah, so Lisa in finance had gotten a call from the main line from him. She said that he was not making any sense. He was belligerent and asked for the city manager or the mayor. So she transferred him to me. Immediately flew off the bat, started screaming at me, swearing, says that somebody here at City Hall, one of our employees, is trying to hack his computer.
Oh my gosh.
Wants to know what we're going to do about it. He continued to swear at me and told me to do my fucking job, so I told him I was hanging up on him, and now he won't stop calling. Some of our staff that has had history with him is now concerned that he's going to show up here.
Okay.
So wasn't sure what the best approach was for this. It sounds like he's probably off his medication.
Well, probably. Have we warned him for harassment with you guys?
Yeah, so this same thing happened, oh God, maybe 4 or 5 months ago. Same exact thing, calling with bizarre accusations, wanting to talk to city manager, mayor. I want to say it was when Tom was acting city manager. So sometime late this summer, early fall. But yeah, same thing. I think we sent a squad car out and warned him. By but I feel like it went on for several days before it finally stopped. And actually, you know what? The last time it happened, we were still closed to the public because he did threaten to come down here, but our doors were locked, so we were fine.
And we can, I'm sure, pull that up. Would you be all right with me sending somebody over there and getting a statement from you? Because I'll be honest, I think it's time we charge him.
Okay.
So we'll create a harassment call.
Okay.
I'll send somebody over, and I'll just send them to you directly if you're okay with that.
Yeah, that's fine. Lisa will probably need to talk to him, too. I know she got his first phone call, and it looks like she just tried to call me, so I don't know if she got another one or not.
And do you guys have recorded lines?
I think we have to push a button to do it, and I've never done it, so I don't think any of my calls are recorded.
Okay, because ours you don't. That's why I'm asking. They'll record down in communications.
Okay.
So I didn't know if you guys had anything like that, and you probably don't. It's a little different here with communications being in our building. But that's fine. We can show... Yeah, yep.
Okay.
I will send somebody out to you, direct them where you need to direct them, so if they need to go talk to Lisa, they can do that. But let me call down to the patrol lieutenant, and I will have him get somebody out there right away.
Okay, and it looks like Chief Kitzmiller just tried to call me back. Will you mind bringing him up to speed?
Yep, I'll let him know.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And with that, men with guns chose to spend taxpayer money to harass a man who is complaining about a building he says poses a danger to the public. And it's important to note that none of these calls were recorded, so police are operating 100% on hearsay. The following is the body cam footage of the February 14th, 2022 police visit. And some have concluded that this is a violation not only of Casey's Fourth Amendment rights, but also a violation of 18 U.S.C. 241 and 242. That's conspiracy against rights and deprivation of rights under color of law. See what you think.
So we'll wait till 60 gets here.
Okay.
Just pull up right by that red dumpster. It's 2 air blocking the drive.
Yeah, okay.
And it's kind of off to the side there. Right over here. Just like so.
Myself and Keeler will be working at
So I guess we need to get his side of the story. If he's technically what I need to Mirandize him before I ask him any questions.
He's not under arrest at this point, right?
No.
Okay.
162-1023. I'm calling in from First Avenue.
No, he's not under arrest. He can shut the door on us.
Okay.
Here, training officer Joseph Chapman is training rookie cop Kylie McCoy. It's important to note that Chapman makes it very clear that Casey is not under arrest because he hasn't committed a crime, and he can shut the door on them. Let's see how that really plays out. And is it just me, or is there a little taxpayer-funded chemistry going on between these two?
There's only you in my life.
You kids get a room. Hey, maybe they can use Casey's room. He's not going to be using it for very much longer.
Let's go down and get a warrant for his arrest then.
Regardless of the statement, we still plan on arresting him.
We're going to get his statement. Okay? We're on camera. Okay, we're live now. So any statements you make, if you're going to make it, you got a statement, then you have to do that.
Yeah, okay.
So we're going to go over and get his side of the story, and we're going to go from there.
Did you see the black man coming by you
No, I
guys?
didn't.
No? I went right by you guys.
Yeah, I was talking to Wimpin, I was talking to you, and
No, I understand.
Yeah.
I just wanted to see if you could see him in there. When I went around the corner, I didn't have eyes on him for a second, so.
Okay. Oh, we'll knock. If he's there, he's there. If he's not, he's not.
Yep. Which window? Do you know which?
He's on the back side, I believe.
Have you ever been in here before?
I think it's here.
Signs this entrance.
First floor,
Is Casey home?
It's 100, right?
You're welcome.
Hey, Casey. Hey, Casey, can you come to the door and just talk to me for a second? Okay. Listen, man, it's really important that you come talk to us right now, okay? I'm Officer McCoy. I'm with the Marion Police Department. I'm sorry, I can't hear you, Casey. What you saying? Oh, okay. Can you come to the door and talk to us? Alright, hey Casey, would you step out and talk to us here for a second? No? Okay.
And I need him to go.
Well, he's not gonna go anywhere, so.
No.
Hey, 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 hey!
Come on.
Hey!
Step out here.
Hey, dude!
Step out
Dude!
here.
Dude!
Step out here.
Dude!
Get on the ground.
What
On the ground. Hey, you're under arrest.
What
Get on the
is going on?
Get on the ground.
What
Get on the ground.
What is going on?
You're under arrest
For what?
for harassment.
Harassment on what? What the
Calling
fuck?
the city hall earlier today.
Dude, I've called the FBI, I've called the U.S. Marshals, I've called everybody.
That's brilliant.
No shit. What's wrong with City Hall?
You've been warned not to harass them.
Dude, that was a year ago and for false harassment.
Sit him up. Put your legs in, Casey. You're gonna wince. Okay.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna stand you up, okay?
Do you have?
Wow, Jesus Christ.
Now, Casey said here that this was a year ago and it was a false arrest. These are the results of that trial from the state of Iowa. It states in part, this matter proceeded to jury trial on May 9th, 2022, with the state appearing by Assistant Lynn County Attorney Shale Wilson and the defendant appearing pro se. The jury found the defendant not guilty of the offense of harassment in the third degree. The defendant, having been found not guilty, now stands acquitted. And yet, after this verdict, the cops went to harass and illegally arrest and jail him anyway. Apparently, the cops never formally booked Casey into the Lynn County Jail. According to Casey, they took him from the squad car to isolation and left him there for 17 hours where he ended up having a panic attack. That this can happen in America is unacceptable. And if it can happen to Casey, it can happen to any one of us. I'll leave the link to the Marion, Iowa Police Department with the public phone number of 319-377-1511 if you'd like to let them know what you think. In a kind way, of course. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my private email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a hard-hitting conversation-starting design you can put on a shirt, hoodie, mug, cell phone case, hat, pillowcase, whatever you want. Remember, freedom is dangerous. It always has been, and it always will be. But the thing exponentially more dangerous is not having it. I'll see you in the next video.